In a bustling city, there lived a young woman named Claire. She was ambitious, driven, and always focused on her goals. Claire had a successful career in marketing, but despite her achievements, she often felt like something was missing. Her life seemed to revolve around work, and she rarely took time to enjoy the moments that mattered most. One day, Claire received some unexpected news. Her doctor called with the results of her annual checkup, and the news was not good. She had been diagnosed with a rare heart condition that required immediate treatment. The doctor explained that her condition could worsen quickly if she didn't take the necessary steps to address it. Claire was stunned. She had always been healthy and had never imagined something like this happening to her. The doctor advised her to slow down, take a break, and focus on her health, but Claire didn't know how to do that. Her life had always been about pushing forward, achieving more, and meeting deadlines. She had no time to rest, no time to slow down. But now, with her health on the line, Claire realized that she had to make a choice: continue living her life at the fast pace she had been accustomed to, or finally take a step back and prioritize what really mattered. After much reflection, Claire decided to take a break from her hectic routine. She requested some time off from work and started focusing on her health and well-being. But the road ahead was not easy. Her condition required treatment, and she had to undergo a series of medical procedures to stabilize her health. During this time, Claire also began to question the choices she had made in life. She realized that in her pursuit of success, she had neglected the things that truly brought her joy: spending time with loved ones, traveling, and pursuing her passions. As Claire went through her treatment, she spent more time with her family and friends. She reconnected with old hobbies, like painting and writing, that had once brought her peace. Slowly but surely, she began to feel like herself again. Her body was healing, and her heart, both literally and metaphorically, was finding a sense of balance. One evening, while sitting on the porch with her best friend, Rachel, Claire opened up about her journey. "You know, Rachel," Claire said, "I used to think that time was something I could control. I thought I could keep pushing myself to do more, achieve more. But now I see that time is running out for all of us. We can't wait for the perfect moment. Life doesn't wait." Rachel nodded, listening carefully. "I think you've learned something important, Claire. You don't have to have everything figured out all the time. Sometimes, the best thing you can do is just live in the moment." That night, Claire reflected on Rachel's words. She realized that she had been so focused on chasing success and goals that she had forgotten to live her life fully. Time, she understood now, wasn't something to be controlled, it was something to be cherished. The moments we spend with others, the laughter we share, the small joys in life, these were the things that truly mattered. In the months that followed, Claire's health improved, but more importantly, so did her outlook on life. She learned to balance work with the things that brought her happiness. She took more time for herself, for her relationships, and for the simple pleasures that life offered. She started to travel, exploring new places, meeting new people, and creating memories that would last a lifetime. Claire never forgot the lesson she learned during that difficult time, the lesson that time is precious and fleeting. She no longer waited for the perfect moment to enjoy life. Instead, she made the most of every moment she had. And though she knew time would continue to run out, she was determined to spend it wisely, cherishing every second and living fully.